Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can easily convert crypto to another crypto in Binance. So what you want to do is just easily be in crypto, then click here on a trade, that's like the middle button on a menu down below, and then go to top left and convert. Right here you're gonna have from Bitcoin. You can simply change that to, let's say I'm going to change it to BNB because I have a lot of it, not a lot, but I have some money in it, and I can go further US. So I'm going to convert it from BNB to Tether or USDT, confirm. And now what I have to do is just easily write amount here. Right under the BNB, you're gonna have available, right? So available is this amount. So I can go 0.77 or I can go maximum on the right side. And then I can click here preview conversion. The preview conversion is going to be available for a few seconds only. So that's pretty much it. And now what you have to do is to preview conversion, and let's see, $397 a USDT I can get for 1 BNB is 511 USDT, so conversion of 0.77 is 397. So this is pretty much it how it works, and this is how we can convert crypto in Binance app. Thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions, ask me down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.